Want to unmute a Viber group to start receiving notifications again? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to unmute a Viber group, you will need to open the Viber app. Every group chat that is muted has an icon with a speaker that is cut off. You see, I have this icon on the group chat. You have two ways to unmute a group. If you are on the main page for the Chats tab, you can simply swipe from right to left on the specific group you want to unmute. Different options will appear. One is Unmute. Tap on that option, and the group chat will be unmuted. Another way is to go into the specific group chat you want to hear from. Once you are inside the group chat, you must then tap on the group's name at the very top of the screen. This will open the group information screen where you can see all the participants and settings. You should see a toggle switch or an option that says Mute Group or Mute Chat near the top. Simply tap on this toggle switch to turn it off, and you will start receiving notifications from the group again. And that's how you can unmute a Viber group, a simple but essential feature for rejoining the conversation and getting updates. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.